Let's take a quick look at the reactions of the alkenes. We want to look at polymerization reaction. Alkenes, which are unsaturated hydrocarbons, they undergo polymerization reaction. What is polymerization? It is the reaction of what? Small molecules called monomers to form large molecules called polymers. We'll be looking at addition polymerization to be specific. Now, in addition polymerization, the small molecules called monomers, example ethane, combine together, react or link up together to form larger molecules called polymers, example polyethylene. Now, the polymers formed as a result of addition polymerization are called addition polymers. Now, if you look at in addition polymerization, the monomer and the polymer, they have the same empirical formula, because in addition polymerization, there is no elimination of any small molecule. There is no side product. The monomers come together, the pi bond breaks, and the monomers link up together to form the polymers. Now let's take a typical example. What we have here is chloroethane. This chloroethane, which is also known as this chloroethane, also known as vinyl chloride. If it undergoes polymerization, it will produce polychloroethane, which is polyvinyl chloride, otherwise known as PVC, which is plastic. Now, this is the monomer. So this is the monomer, chloroethane. Monomer. Then when undergo polymerization at a high temperature and pressure, the pi bond will break to form the polymer, which is the large molecule. The word poly means many. The M here represents a very large number, which is polychloroethane or polyvinyl chloride, otherwise known as PVC. So this is the monomer and this is the polymer. So this is polychloroethane. So this is the monomer. You link up large number, thousands of the monomer to form the polymer. They might ask you, the N represents the large number. You might be asked to write 2 repeat units, 3 repeat units of the polymer. If I have to write 3 repeat units of polyethane, well, we have this side to look like 3 repeat units of polychloroethane. You might be asked to write 3 repeat units of polychloroethane. So this is how 3 repeat units look like. This 1 repeat unit, this 1 unit. To repeat units. So these 3 repeat units. 1, 2, 3. So these 3 repeat units of polychloroethane. Then let's take another example, styrene. Polymerization of styrene, we get polystyrene. You've heard of polystyrene cup. It's a plastic polystyrene. So it has to do with the polymerization of the monomer styrene. How to erase this? This styrene so this is the monomer. Undergo polymerization to give you the polymer. So the monomer is styrene. Polymer is polystyrene. Polystyrene. So the N here represents large number. Polymer means many. So you combine with the monomer, which is styrene, to get polystyrene. It's as simple as ABC. And they might ask you to draw 3 repeat units of the polymer or 4 repeat units of the polymer, polystyrene. Let me erase this so that I can represent it. This is 1. This is 2. This is 3. So this is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 4 repeat units of polystyrene. So this is it. Now, let's look at Teflon, tetrafluoroethane, polymerization of tetrafluoroethane, polymerization of tetrafluoroethane, you get polytetrafluoroethane, otherwise known as Teflon, which is used in non-stick pan. We use to design non-stick pan. Okay, now let's see. This is tetrafluoroethane, tetrafluoroethane, which is C2F4. This tetrafluoroethane is the monomer. Then the polymer combined together, the monomer, tetrafluoroethane, link up together to form the polymer, polytetrafluoroethane. Polytetrafluoroethane, abbreviated as PTFE, polytetrafluoroethane. Now, if you look at the monomers and the polymers, the difference between the monomers and the monomer has a double bond, while the polymer has a single bond. So we can say the monomer is unsaturated, while the polymer is saturated. So this is polytetrafluoroethane, otherwise known as Teflon, which is used in non-stick pan. So you might be asked to write 3 repeat units, draw 3 repeat units of polytetrafluoroethane. It's as simple as ABC, the same pattern. So I'm going to erase this so that I'll draw the 3 repeat units. So let's just draw 3 repeat units of polytetrafluoroethane. So this 1, 2, 3. So this is 3 repeat units of polytetrafluoroethane. So most of them, they are all plastic. We call them polyalkenes. And in our next lecture, we're going to talk about problems associated with disposal of polyalkenes. They are all plastics, and most of them are non-biodegradable. They are resistant to chemical attack. So what happened? We have challenges in disposal of what? Polyalkane plastics. So we're going to discuss it in our next video. Please, I want you to attempt as many questions as possible in polymerization of the alkenes. If it's if you polymerize propene, you get polypropene. If you polymerize ethane, you get polyethane. So it's as simple as A, B, C. Just have to follow the same pattern, and you might be asked to write 2 repeating it, 3 repeating it of the polymers. You just write 2 or 3 repeating it. It's just a repetition of each of the process. It's as simple as A, B, C. Thank you very much.